Chem 410 Measurement Lab. You will need the following items from your kit: construction paper, ruler, balance or scale, weighing boats, salt, 30 cc syringe with plunger, 50 ml beaker, water, which you provide. Measurement of construction paper. Find the number on the piece of construction paper. Record it here in the data table. Next, measure one length of the piece of construction paper using your ruler. You will be measuring in both inches and centimeters. Here we can see the larger hash marks on the bottom are inches, while the smaller hash marks on the top are centimeters. In this case, the length is 14.18 centimeters. Now measure the width. In this case, it is 6.42 centimeters. Now measure the length and width in inches. In this case, the length is 5 9/16 inches, and the width is 2 1/2 inches. Finally, calculate the area, length multiplied by the width, for both inches and centimeters. Practice measuring mass. First, turn on your balance, scale. Be sure it is laying on a flat surface when you turn it on. This will allow it to calibrate correctly. Be sure it is reading in grams. If not, you can press the unit button until it displays grams. Place a piece of weighing paper on the balance. Next, zero or tare the balance by pressing the tare button. This tells the balance to ignore the weight of the weighing paper just placed on the balance. Next, take your salt baggie and a plastic spatula and weigh out about a gram of salt. Record the mass of salt you just weighed out on your lab. Make a mental note of how much salt this is. You will now discard the salt. Place your weighing paper on the balance and tare it, then remove the weighing paper from the balance and do your best to add the exact same amount of salt to the weighing paper. Once you've estimated the same amount of salt, place the weighing paper and salt on the balance. Record the mass of the salt to see how close your estimate was to the actual amount. Practice measuring volume. Pour some water into your 50 ml beaker and fill it between 1/3 and 1/2 to the top of the container. Measure the volume of water by using the milliliter measurements on the side of the beaker and record the volume. In this case, it is 30 milliliters. Then draw the water up using your syringe. Measure the volume of water by using the milliliter marks on the side of the syringe. In this case, it is 29.0 milliliters. Using a syringe to measure volume. Taking a look at the different graduations on this 30 ml syringe. The largest graduations are 5 mils. The small graduations are 1 mil, and the smallest increments are 0.2 milliliters.